let me take this time to thank the county government of Nyamira for having organized this kind of an event, that whereby the 4-year course, we have come to the end part of it, and we can be able to commemorate it. Today, we have convened here today to celebrate a paradigm of hope, that this scholarship has catalyzed a transformative change within our county. On behalf of my colleagues, I humbly give my profound gratitude unto your visionary leadership for having seen it better that these scholars, they can be able to get the sponsorship. Another thing I would like to thank your governor is that you took it into consideration. These youth, these students coming from the modest backgrounds, you saw it better that they get the scholarships. At least so far so good. Through the 4-year course in high school, we have been learning smoothly without any interruptions. We don't take that one for granted. We thank you, we thank the county administration, we thank the county government of Nyamira. And to the parents, the youths who are here today, this is the time for us to join the hands together. A time for us to unite the voices. The voice of our youth once more can be heard. And come 2027, Your Excellency, I'm assuring you, last time when I came here, you already have my vote. And even these students, these parents who are here, we're going to vote for you. Miaka 5 tena, lazima kiongozi tena wetu kuingia uongozini.
Governor, shukrani kubwa zije kwako, mawaziri wako na wale ambao wote ni wapenzi wanaokupenda. Ni maajabu tokea niliposaliwa na miaka 72 sijawahi kuona kitendo kama hichi Nyamira hii. Ni nani aliyekiona? Mheshimiwa Nyaribo, Mungu akuonekanie kwa kila njia. Na zaidi ya yote, miaka 5 ni yako. Wenye vitina wote watakuwa vibofu na kutoona nini wanachokifanya. Mungu akubariki. Na mheshimiwa, jambo langu la mwisho, hawa wanafunzi ambao wanaenda chuo kikuu, usiwaache, ni watoto wako. Kwa sasa mnakubali aendelee na sisi. Mungu akubariki na ubarikiwe sana.
Asante. Asante sana wazazi.